Best deals.
1. Cleaning sponge. The microfiber premium scratch-free wash mitt is extra plush and fluffy, and holds tons of suds to make any car wash a fun and safe experience. Its superfine microfiber suds will not leave any scratches on glass. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Floor cleaning mop. Microfiber mop pad can quickly absorb lots of water. The twist microfiber mop pad can effectively remove dust of floor, and the polyester microfiber replacement pad with better cleaning power. It can remove stains in cracks on the ground such as tiles, fit for damp mopping and dry sweeping. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Sponge mop. Designed to simplify daily cleaning tasks effortlessly. This 3-in-1 mop offers mopping, wiping, and brushing solutions in a single tool. Mop offers mopping, wiping, and brushing solutions in a single tool. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Window cleaning set. With the magnetic double-sided window cleaning set, you can effortlessly clean both sides of your windows from indoors. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Squeegee wiper. Unique angle design for reaching nooks and corners, and enables a swift pull action. Height adjustable telescopic handle helps in easy movability and helps you adjust size as per your height and reach required. Helps instantly dry floors with single swipe clean. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Wall cleaner mop. Sponge handle of this wall mop is made of high quality eco-friendly EVA material, matte textured surface, with good anti-slip effect, soft and high elasticity, ergonomic design, provide you with a more comfortable grip. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Microfiber mop. Features 360-degree maneuverable swivel head allows you mop around the stairs, furniture and table legs flexibly. Wide surface mop pad with improved fabric clip-on design covers more area while cleaning, makes cleaning flow fast and efficient. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Microfiber feather. Duster with extension pole generates static electricity when in use, attracting pollen, dust, hair and shredded paper. Flexible and bendable duster can be used for any shape of the fan blade. It can be bent and held in the desired shape to maximize the area of the dusting surface. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Microfiber. Mop head is made of high-quality microfiber that is super absorbent and durable. It effortlessly picks up and traps dust and dirt, leaving your floors spotlessly clean and streak-free. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Microfiber flat mop. This mop and bucket set is designed with a dual body bucket that provides both wash and dry functions. One side for moistening and the other side for removing dust and squeezing to dry the cleaning mop. Make it easy to clean the mop. The mop bucket is lightweight and doesn't take up much space, can be easily stored in the corner of your house. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Cleaning brush. Combines a floor scrub brush and rubber scraper for versatile cleaning of various surfaces, ensuring thorough dirt and hair removal without deformation. Ideal for walls, floors, countertops, sinks, and outdoor spaces. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Sponge mop. Has strong water absorption, rapid softening and decontamination ability. The sponge with groove design can absorb dirt, hair, lint and sauce on the surface easily. Self-wringing, free your hands. Manual joystick, pull and lift, easy to squeeze water. It keeps your hands away from dirty mop. You can wring effortlessly without bend over. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Cleaning brush. Effectively cleans grout, faucets, sinks, corners, shower door tracks, worktops, grills. High-speed oscillating technology effectively cleans deep embedded dirt, stains and oil from various surfaces. 3 heads round brush, cone brush and large round brush for different surfaces and cleaning purposes. Non-slip ergonomic handle and rubber molding for comfortable cleaning. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Mini mop. Made of high-quality ABS and sponge materials, this Mini Mop Pro is built to withstand regular use, ensuring dependable performance over time. The sleek design of the mini mop for kitchen makes it easy to maneuver and clean even the tightest. Ensures a thorough and efficient cleaning experience. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Cleaning brush. The unique design and 180-degree pivot of the tub tile scrubber brush allows for effortless access to all corners, narrow spaces and hard-to-reach places. The ergonomic handle is designed with a soft, padded and non-slip grip that's easy to control when wet, reducing hand fatigue during cleaning. Made of high-quality steel, the shower scrubber with long handle is a durable tool that is built to last multiple cleans. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Brush duster. The grip of this keyboard cleaning brush is made up of anti-slip ABS plastic handle and contains a hole, enabling to conveniently hang the brush on the walls. Brush head is made of fluffy, soft and anti-static microfiber material. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Spray mop. Comes equipped with a high-quality microfiber pad that effortlessly picks up dirt, dust, and grime, leaving your floors sparkling clean. The microfiber material is gentle on all floor surfaces and is easily washable, making it reusable and eco-friendly. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Fan cleaner duster. Equipped with unique cleaning head, designed to clean ceiling fan without using ladder, walls, baseboards, moldings, windows, blinds, tile, floor. Excellent for cleaning washable wallpaper, baseboards, woodwork, doors, wall coverings, and baseboards. Use on any flat surface is possible, similar to windows, vinyl, laminate, hardwood, and tile floors. A thick rubber blade won't leave smudges and won't scratch your tiles or windows. Flow, 3-in-1 cleaning tool. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Squeegee. The blade material is molded rubber which could move the water clearly. Also we use the soft material in order to avoid the surface scratch. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Electric spin scrubber. Easy to assemble electric spin scrubber with 2 adjustable spin speeds with a maximum speed of up to 400 rpm for both gentle and powerful cleaning, providing flexibility to tackle various cleaning needs with ease. Equipped with an automatic water spray function, the cleaning brush can effortlessly dispense cleaning solution or water which can clean soap scum, grout, or stubborn stains in minutes. Retractable telescopic handle with anti-skid threading to prevent soapy slips and 6 changeable brush heads for grime and tough stains in any and every corner for deep cleaning with LED display. Turbo comes with overheat and overcharge protection. It's smart and offers durability for long time use. Product link is given in the 20th link. Thanks for watching.